How to change password on Tonkeeper. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you can change password on Tonkeeper. So for that, first of all, you'll have to open your Tonkeeper app. And once you're in your Tonkeeper app, you'll be able to see the interface like this. And over here at the top right, you'll be able to see this gear icon. So all you have to do is just click on it. And once you're here in the settings, scroll down till you find this security option and click on it. Now you can just add your touch ID for logging in, or use lock screen password, or you can change passcode if you remember the password. If you remember the password, just enter your current password and then enter your new password, and you'll be able to change your password on Tonkeeper. But if you don't remember your old password, then there is another way. For that, you have to go back on your settings and scroll on all the way down till you see the option Contact Us. Now here, click on this option and you will be directed to the email section, and here you have to write an email to support@tonkeeper.com. So just give the subject Tonkeeper forgotten password, and write down email that like hey support team, I need help in resetting my Tonkeeper password, and just click on, and after that just click on this arrow and the email will be sent, and shortly after a day or two they'll reply you and verify, and then after that they're gonna help you reset your password. So that is how you can change your password on Tonkeeper. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.